Alright, so we've got a bit of an unboxing today, and we'll quickly open this up. And we'll have a look inside. Oh, you guessed it. It's another Casio. Here we go. Been actually really looking forward to this. Let's take it out. So I got this from America. Oh, it's like super loose packaging. And let's have a look together. Oh yes, I think you can tell what it is. I think you can tell what it is. Oh man, this is absolutely sick. I love it. So it is the AE-1600H-5AV in the beige variant. And like I say, I got this from America, so that's probably why it's come in a bit of a different packaging. Because I think the UK version that I got before didn't come like this. It certainly didn't give like the plastic stand, which is super nice. Alright, let's just take the plastic off and have a look for the first time. Wow. This is nice. It's a bit darker than advertised, but I love this watch, man. Obviously, like I had the black variant, but I sold it, to be honest with you, because I really wanted this color. It is super nice. That is really nice. Appreciate getting the little stand with it as well. That's really cool. Get rid of this stuff. We'll get into it. So here it is. Look at that, man. That's such a sick watch, man. So nice. Good for my aging eyesight as well, that's for sure. Absolutely sick. Okay, let's take it off its pedestal. Look at that, man. Such a nice watch. I love this color. I'm actually really not disappointed at all in this color variant. So nice. Two-tone with the black and beige. Super nice. Look at that, man. Alright, let's peel it off. Nice. Absolutely gorgeous watch, this. Absolutely gorgeous. And I think I picked it up for just over £30 Amazon US. You cannot seem to get this variant in the UK, or you're paying quite a lot on eBay if you want it. But that colour is absolutely stunning. Obviously a massive fan of this, so let's get it on the wrist. Take the silly glove off. Such a solid watch as well. Let's have a look at the belly actually while we're here. Get super close. There you go. AE-1600. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, here we go. That one seems to fit. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Like for me this year, this is the best budget digital model they've released this year. Certainly better than that and that. This is just absolutely sick. Like, you've got to love that huge display. You know, 10-year battery life. You know, 10 bar water resistant, easy to see in the dark. A sporty design, practical design. It just, you know, it ticks a lot of boxes for me, this one. Absolutely. So we'll just have a look through. Look at that display, man. Absolutely sick. Gorgeous. Five alarms. 24-hour countdown. Look at this watch, man. So nice. Stopwatch. It's gorgeous. I'm so glad I got this. So glad I got it. I know this video is pretty much just me gushing over this watch, but it's cool, man. I appreciate it. Dual time. Yeah. So sick. We'll have a look in some dull natural daylight. There you go. UK version. Absolutely sick watch. Absolutely sick. Let's try the light then, eh? The light is pretty effective, but obviously when it's a lot darker, but it's pretty much doing the trick there. If only a little faint. It's just a stunning looking watch, this one, man. I so prefer it over the 1500. It is just absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so what do we get with this watch? So 52 grams in weight, resin case, resin band, 100 meter water resistance, 10-year battery, resin glass, compatible band size 145 to 215 millimeters, dual time, stopwatch timer, hourly alarm, LED backlit afterglow, full auto calendar, accuracy plus 30 seconds per month, 12 24-hour format. There you go. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Let's put in the nice lighting again. Look at that. Yeah, man. So I would recommend this watch, and definitely this color. That's if you like it, that is. But it's a stunner, man. Absolute stunner. So I have done a review of this watch. It was actually one of the first videos I made for this channel. And I thank you for your support on that one, because it's actually got quite a lot of views and likes and stuff. So thank you for that. I might do a comparison video between this one and the 1500 again. Maybe a bit more in depth. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to do that, but it's an idea for sure. But yeah, sick watch. But unfortunately, Casio like been releasing ones like this one and that one, and they have not been that great. But if they keep innovating and doing things like this, like the 1600, I mean, I can't wait to see what else they'll come up with, but it could be absolute fire. Super nice. All right. And you get the little stand and the thick booklet as well. Always appreciate when they give you these little stands, you know what I mean? Really cool. 10-year battery. Nothing on the bottom. Alright guys, this was just pretty much a gushing video for the AE-1600H-5AV, but it's a beautiful little timepiece. Well, I say little, it's huge. Got a huge display. Anyway, stop waffling. Thank you very much for watching.